So what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to get a tattoo. I need to put something else on my belly. I think I'm gonna put something right here. What could it be? Stay tuned to find out. We're about to go see my baby Tony Gritzinger out at Loyalty Tattoo here in Holly, Michigan. That's my baby. I've been going to him for my whole life. He's done everything except some stuff on my thigh, the scripture on my left arm, and the Greek on my right arm. But everything else, Tony, I love you so much, baby. You know that. I had to switch out to the corduroy Captain Morgan boy. We're going out to my mom's first to take care of the chickens because they're out of town. So let's go feed and water some chickens. Stay tuned. And we made it. Oof. All right. Let's see how these chickens are. Oh, look at them. They're like, yo, dude, what do you got going on? I'm like, I'm about to give you some food, baby. Yeah. Ding, ding, ding. All right, let's see if they got water. Looking a little empty. Do they got water? Do the rabbits got water? Damn, dude, the rabbit's got no water. He's got water. He's empty. He's empty. Ugh, gross. I gotta go fill all these up. Oh, bummer, dude. What do you chickens want? What's up, chickens? Look at that good water, chickens. Oh, almost forgot you. Almost forgot you. I would never forget you guys. Okay, the rabbits are looking at me like they're thirsty. The chickens are looking at me like they're chickens. My goodness. Come on. Come on. I hope I can have a spot like this one day. In today's climate, I don't see that happening, but my goodness, dude. My goodness, dude. So the netting is there to keep like coons and foxes out. I guess they touch this and they're like, what the heck is that? Oh my gosh. Think I can transport it on the top of my car? Let's hope so. Chickens? Good chickens. All right, I'll be back tomorrow, guys. Be back tomorrow, chicken. Let's try to fill this up. If you guys have been watching my videos for a little bit, you're gonna recognize that little dude. He has been coming up here. I don't think we own a duck, dude, but there he is. We'll figure it out, boys. We're gonna figure it out. Yo, what a nightmare. So my seat is soaked. My goodness, I was filling up the... Oh no. Ooh, the things I do for love. The duck came back. I fed him. Everyone's good. Everyone's taken care of. So Jerusalem. We are Jerusalem, the body of believers. Not bless this small country in the Middle East. The Talmud says that we are dogs and they are allowed to lie to us. It's so dark, Mom. It's so dark. I don't wish I knew these things. Oh boy. All right, I love you, Mom.
Love you.
All right, bye.
Talk to you later. Bye, huh?
Bye. Okay, we made it here. Oh, it's unlocked. Yo! Loyalty Tattoo, best tattoo artist in Michigan. What's up? Tony Gritzinger, my baby. Love this man. What's up?
What's up, buddy?
Ooh, shout out the old Albanian dude who complimented the Mike Vernon shirt, dude. Throwback. Any hockey fans out there, you guys remember Dominic Hasek? Such a dog, dude. And I was cool. I said this, I was like, remember Dominic Hasek to my mans in there, and he was like, very, very unique player. I'm like, fun to watch. He said, fun to watch. I'm like, fuck yeah, dude. My guy. That's cool. All right, let's not get killed.
Curb like that?
Is that cool? Yeah, can we do that?
It depends on how much fucking time you got and how much cash you're trying to spend.
It's up to, I mean, You give me.
What are you trying to spend?
I don't know. I
A
don't.
hundo, no more than 200 or something?
Yeah, please don't take any more than that from me. But yeah.
No more than
I understand
no
you.
more than 150?
I understand you do me favors and you like look out, and I'm very grateful for that. Grateful for it. I am though.
I know.
I do appreciate it. You put a lot of art on me and not a lot of money. I don't take that for granted. Ugh.
You're lucky I like you, buddy.
I do. I like you, man. You're good. I like your kid. Different when you put it on the program.
This one's cool, that one's cool, and that one's cool. I'd say between these two, or this one. You want a bulb?
I don't know what I want.
This one's pretty fun.
I don't want to smoke this anymore. This is awful.
I like this one without the tail. And then open up the A.
Oh yeah, okay, I'm with that. It almost looks like a Chiodo's cover out, which I'm okay with. Craig Owens is a douchebag, but
This is cool.
I do love Chiodos.
It's called Yep.
Just being a silly goose, man.
Right.
Really though, it's And the poor dude, I'm like, I messaged him. I didn't comment because I didn't want to be that asshole and be like, hey, dude, that's spelled wrong. but I just messaged him and sent him the verse, and I was like, hey, man, I'm so sorry.
Man.
Didn't even write back.
Like, oh my god, dude! But I mean, it's Vehicle City, so back in the day, they had all that shit down there.
It made sense.
Yeah.
Doesn't
now
make a
it's
sense
fucking,
now.
Yeah, now it's fucking ghost town.
Bro, I sound like a tweaker anyway, but it's the chaos that I'm trying to cultivate. Our history is not right. We found everything. We didn't build.
Yeah.
And they have all these pictures of like oh, construction, but there's never any work, or like I think a lot of it's AI. I think narrative, because AI is good now. Like you can't tell the difference.
Yeah.
Like when it comes to like certain stuff you can, but like when it comes to old timey photos, how are we supposed to know those aren't real? Yeah, I mean they're real. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Okie dokie, stay tuned. You're doing the L right there? I thought you were doing the U. Joy, dude, that's nice.
I tricked you that last one.
You got a little sneaky.
I lied the last two.
Good friend, dude.
I was like, man, I know it's fucking.
I don't know. I was going through it right there. I can feel like as I get older, I can't. It's weird, dude.
Oh yeah, I agree, 100%.
Oh my gosh, dude. I used to be able to just go to town.
Yeah.
Like, it wasn't pleasant, but go to town.
Yeah,
I used to be able to
hours.
talk, dude.
Now it's like fucking.
Now it's
Fuck
like,
you.
dude, can you
I'm
go?
done.
I'm gonna go home and
Fuck
take
off.
me. I don't even know why I'm here.
Right. I don't want to play anymore. What am I making?
That's awesome. Go for a little ride.
Yeah.
Wow, that's hot. Hot. Oh, dude, that's so gas, bro.
That's
Fuck
pretty
yeah,
cool.
dude. Fuck yeah, dude. Oh man, I'm excited because I want to do everything eventually, you know. But this is
Yep, one thing at a time.
Yeah, this is a fun start. Oh, dude, isn't that gas, bro? Chill out, dude. Hot.
Stuck it right in the belly button.
Well, dude, here's the thing. This is like aesthetically pleasing.
Right.
Like, it's nice to look at.
And I got a drawer full of them. Fucking probably 20 more, and that case right there is full of them.
What in here?
Yeah.
No kidding. Oh, look at you, dude. They're kind of fun. What's this one about? What's that? Is that a J? Or is that a T?
That's a J. It's Jack Rudy. It's a Jack Rudy signature machine.
Okay.
He's a black and gray. God.
That's fun. He's a fucking badass, dude.
Oh, he's old school.
Yo, look at this thing, yo. What is that about? That thing's heavy.
Yeah, that's a rotary.
My goodness. This isn't a phone.
Hyper.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, sorry. Oh, you got your little dentist light.
One of my favorite ones right there is that Mickey Sharp's, the gold one.
This guy?
That was electroplated 10 karat.
Oh, that's how you played it with real gold?
Yeah.
That's fun. I like your little... Did you put this little face in there?
He puts them on his machine.
Oh, he does that himself? Yeah. Oh, does he number it himself too?
Yeah.
That's cool. Mickey Sharp. Mucky Sharps? Mickey Sharps.
Sharps.
See there? See, Mickey's got... almost looks like Mucky.
That dude started tattooing in like the 40s, 50s.
Why is my wife yelling at me? Okay, read that. See that? Feeling unheard, financial stress, mental health, da-da-da, blah, blah, blah. Look at it. Oh, they changed it. They fucking changed it, dude. I've looked this up before. It used to say, why is my husband yelling at me? And it would be like, there is help. Call this number.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, what? I gotta get offline, man. I'm too chronically online.
I had a 10-foot boa.
Okay.
And fucking, I'd let him fucking roam around and go on my couch, and I'd lay there and watch TV, and the motherfucker would come up, and he would lay right along my body and stretch his whole self out.
Like, just he was like chilling with you?
Yeah, like, yep, I'd be laying on the couch, and he'd be fucking right along my body. And I always thought it was the warmth, but then I fucking realized, like, 5 years ago or whatever, that they're sizing up their fucking prey.
You were the prey.
I was the prey.
Oh, no, dude. No. You thought he was your buddy. You thought he was being cute.
I had him for like 10 years. He was cool as fuck. But yeah, at that point, I thought he was like just getting warm off my body.
Nope. He was like, I could probably eat this guy. That's scary. That's a little scary, dude. Yep. You know what? He probably sized you up and realized, oh, I can't.
I got pictures of Cody sitting there playing fucking video games, and he's got this fucking 9-10 foot boa just around him. He's just sitting there.
That's fun.
And the fucking snake,
yeah.
like straight out, like looking at the TV.
Like almost paying attention?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's a different kind of reptile. I don't know, man. They don't got legs? I don't like that. Right. Where's your legs at? How you getting around?
When I lived in fucking Windsor Place Apartments, it got out and went in the walls and ended up in the neighbor's apartment. I couldn't find it for 3 days. And we had an exterminator out there because we could hear a mouse in the wall or whatever. So I thought the exterminator stole them, and then the maintenance guy comes knocking on the fucking door 3 days later and found our snake. The neighbor was over there with the golf club, and the snake was under his couch.
I was going to ask, where was he at in the apartment?
I had to flip his couch over and sit there and work him out. It took him about an hour and a half to get him out because he kept flexing, and then I had to let him relax.
Yeah.
Just forever.
I wonder how we got in the apartment.
The maintenance guy came through, and we found a fucking hole where the pipes go through the wall underneath the kitchen sink.
So you came in through the sink, you think?
There was a hole in the corner where the cabinets meet. You know what I mean?
So and it was like the wall was like shown.
Yeah, and then he went under the sink, and where my pipes went into the wall of the apartment, it went out into his apartment, into his kitchen, because they just tie your plumbing to, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So he went through the wall, though.
The kitchen. Yeah, he went through the wall.
Okay, he went through the wall under the sink?
Yeah.
I don't like that, because that means there's like an opening to another apartment in my apartment.
Right.
I don't need no openings.
True.
I don't like that. He said true? Fuck yeah.
It's true, man. Thought about.
I don't like that. There's an opening. Someone could be sniffing or doing other stuff.
I thought for sure somebody stole that motherfucker, and then 3 days later.
How did they know it was yours? They just knew you had a snake?
Well, I called the front.
Hey, if anyone finds a snake.
Yeah, like, hey, I thought the exterminators they sent there stole it.
Yeah.
This fucking exterminator stole my fucking snake or something, man, because it's not in here. And after that, we all got letters in the thing saying that they're not letting anybody move in there that's got reptiles now.
You were the reason?
Yeah, pretty much. Everybody's freaking out.
Oh, damn it. I don't know if I want to light that back up again.
He was like 9 foot at that point.
I
was feeding guinea pigs fucking this big around.
Oh, not guineas, dude. Guineas are too sweet. Oh, no. Ones. Why are they dead guineas? Oh. They are stupid, though. They're dumb little guys. They don't really have a personality.
They get annoyed. My snake, fucking Cody's fucking
and I'm stoned.
Hamster.
Wait, what?
Tom Jones fed fucking my snake Cody's hamster. I went to the store to get booze.
Like your son's pet.
Yeah, he thought, and Cody was probably like 6 or 7 at the time.
What happened to Squeakies or something?
We went and bought him another one at fucking Walmart that night. That looked just like pretty much just like it.
Oh, he didn't know.
I told him probably like 10 years ago.
Remember that? remember that hamster you?
Dude, I fucking went to the store. I came back and that snake had it fucking already twisted.
Oh, poor.
And,
What was his name? Do you remember?
It was, he fucking
Rip.
thought it was a feeder. Tom did.
Oh, you're like, no, it's my son's friend.
Oh, I was like, no, yeah.
No,
man.
Here you go. You want one more?
Fucking... Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Here, I'll leave you one too. I'm gonna swap one with you though. Have emotion. It's weird. A lot of fish don't have emotion.
Yeah.
Like whales, maybe dolphins, but like when I think of like a bass or like a salmon, those don't have emotions. No, those are just existing.
Yeah,
they don't have thoughts. I think dogs have thoughts.
Yeah, dogs have thoughts.
Like like dolphins have thoughts.
Yeah.
They're very rapey too. You know that?
Dolphins.
Dolphins are very like they will try to get you.
Yeah.
You never heard the story about the dolphin house?
No.
The CIA was trying to teach dolphins English, and like they made a house like off the beach and like had dolphins living inside the house, and this lady lived with them all the time. And the girl, she could try to teach them, and they would, whatever. But the guy would like work for a little bit and then just flip over with his erect dick and just start slapping it against his chest. And so she would jerk him off every day, and he would calm down, and then she would try to teach him English. Didn't work.
Okay. Yeah.
None of it works. But yeah, dolphin house, that's a real thing.
That's crazy.
Isn't that crazy?
Doesn't surprise me whatsoever, though.
I watched a documentary on YouTube. I forgot her name is Atrocity Guide. Yeah, and she did like a 45-minute doc on the dolphin house. It was interesting though. It's like, yo, they were really trying to teach these dolphins English, and she was jerking him off. Isn't that crazy? Just making dolphins come so they can calm down. I mean, hey, there's worse lives.
Now call me mama.
Oh no. I'm Freddie Flintstone. Ooh, okay, so I feel really good. I feel good. Today was a good day. I love Tony to death. Been tattooing me for a long time, so that was just always a good experience. And it came out great. I could not be happier, dude, and I could not be more grateful. If you watch this, thank you. Have a good day. Subscribe? Sure, why not?